Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to share a chat in Claude AI. It's a quick and easy way to share your conversations with friends, teammates, or anyone else. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open the official Claude AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Claude dashboard, open the conversation that you want to share. At the top of the chat, click the Share button. A sharing window will appear. Click Create Link to generate a public shareable link for your conversation. Once the link is created, click Copy Link and share it with anyone you want. Anyone with the link will be able to view the shared conversation, but they won't be able to edit your original chat. If you no longer want to share the conversation, you can remove or disable the shared link from the same sharing menu at any time. Sharing chats is a great way to collaborate with teammates, share AI-generated content, or send useful conversations to friends without taking screenshots. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a chat in Claude AI. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.